Hi, this is Alexis from Argentina, and this time I will explain to you how to do a V10 sound with a backhand.
The things you'll need are a soda or a beer can, your voice, your tongue. Preparing our backhand. Pick up an empty, small or big beer can and take away the metallic opener. Then, just make yourself an imaginary line by the middle of the can and just press it down the middle. Make sure to not damage the can in any way but this. Any other damage could cause the can to not vibrate properly. If you're using a big beer can, press it not in the middle but near the intake, otherwise it won't work. When you got this, it's time to tune up your beer can. The big can's function here is to work as an amplifier of your voice sound and to reproduce the exhaust sound effect. To achieve this, the metal of the can has to vibrate by resonance with our voice. For this, we have to adjust it correctly in order to obtain the maximum resonance possible. I strongly recommend you use big beer cans. They work so much better for these applications than the small ones.
Just keep it there very carefully, because we don't need to use it right now. Right now we have to focus on the hardest part. Hard but not impossible.
Understanding V10 sound. Here's an audio signal sample taken from a V10 sound recording. As you can see, the V10 sound is a very complex signal, but to achieve a credible enough V10 sound, we have to analyze its composition. We can make a simple analysis. We can decompose the complex signal in low, mid and high frequencies. Let's see how's the sound on low frequencies. We can reproduce this bass low frequency with our tongue vibration. Let's see on mid frequencies. We can reproduce this mid-range frequency with our voice. And the high frequencies will be reproduced by our can. Now, here's maybe the one of the most difficult things to understand. If we keep a listen to the low and mid frequency sounds, we can see that the low and mid frequencies are related by a third major chord. If we do it on a keyboard, the notes will be like this. The tonic note, an octave above the third major note. This is, I guess, one of the most difficult challenges, maintaining that major chord all the way through the RPM range. Of course, it requires a lot of practice, but once you got it, it's almost instinctive. Now, we can incorporate our big can and complete the sound setup. Once you get all the things together,
see, it's very easy.